What is up, guys? Ty.funded here, back with another trade recap. Today was a beautiful trading day, so let's get straight into this. No time wasted. Whoops. All right, let's go. 1 hour time frame. I like to call today Money Mondays. I love fucking Mondays. As a trader, I can speak for all of us here. All right, first of all, we've got this 1 hour fair value gap right here. Okay, I drew out the wick of this 1 hour candle here. Just in my head, I'm like, okay, price could draw to the 50% mark here, but let's actually go ahead and delete this. Why I changed that now? So why I changed that is because I noticed that, fuck is that doing there? I noticed that we have this 1 hour, we have this 15-minute low. This is my drawn liquidity for the day. Because if we go on the 1 hour and look, it's a 1 hour low and 4 hour. Let's look on the 4 hour. Yeah. 4 hour drawn liquidity. Beautiful. Let's go back on the 4 hour. We notice that we have a 4 hour fair value gap as well. Yeah. Didn't mark it out because it would look messy, but I noted that in my head mentally that we have a 4 hour fair value gap. We also have a 1 hour bullish fair value gap. All right. So boom. I'm already thinking, all right, we're probably going to be bullish today. All right, let's go on the 15-minute now. Just like how I said, we have this low. This is my drawn liquidity for the day. This is London low. We have this 15-minute that aligns perfectly with that. All right, boom. So I draw out midnight open, mark my London high, London low, and I mark out my 830 range. So if price is above this 830, the high of the 830 range of this 830 candle, we're in a premium, and I'm looking for shorts and confluences that align with that. And obviously, given everything else, the same thing here. We're in a discount. We're trading below the 830 range. We are in a discount looking for longs because market is in a discounted range. And it aligns with everything else that I already mentioned. We got all of our confluences. We got these 15-minute fair value gaps and everything. Everything is looking fucking swell. Now, normally I would use my main confirmation right before I enter. It would be a 1 minute inverse fair value gap into the direction I wanted to go. Didn't need that today. I traded with discretion, and I traded that knowing and seeing what I've seen already happen in the market time and time again. I proceeded today with more caution because, as you know, today is Monday with no news. Now, you're probably wondering, how did I get a trade just from this? Let's dive into this, actually. So, coming into 9:30, 9:28, 9:29, I'm noticing that price is making a small push down here. So I already know, given that we're in a discount, that we are going to dump off market open. I am assuming that is what's going to happen. Okay. And like I said, my drawn liquidity. So because I know this shit would move pretty fast, I set a limit order today. Set a limit order right on London low. Now my stop. So I have my entry point here. I could have played it more riskier here, gotten a higher RR, but I don't do that. I put my stops at 26 points. I got my entry at the drawn liquidity exactly. Given that we have this fair value gap here, this is a kind of an area where I know price is going to possibly retest and make the move or continue the downtrend. So I set my stop at below. I set my stop loss below the fair value gap just to give price action some room. And my TP, let's see, my TP was just at this. My TP was actually higher. It should have been up here, but I kind of miscalculated and I put it more down here. No big deal. Now, I aim to just catch the low-hanging fruit for the day and be able to do that consistently rather than try and catch the entire move and hit home runs every single day. Because I am not bothered at the fact that price ran how much more points from my TP? 280 points. That's fucking crazy. I am aware, though, that people got good entries today, and I'm happy for that. I got my entry. I got my my win. 4 figures on the day. I can't complain. Today is only Monday. This week is looking beautiful. We got CPI on Friday. Not that much news for the rest of the week. I can't ask for more. Honest to God, I can't ask for more. And I got a really good entry. I got a perfect fucking entry, in fact. And if my accounts didn't have consistency, I might have probably targeted 100 points, but I don't care. I don't let greed control me. I trust my intuition. I trust my strategy. I follow my rules, and bang, that's it. Just like that. Because I'm sure you guys got entries off this inverse fair value gap and shit, and targeted. I'm sure people were targeting London highs, all those beautiful things. Today was just really good price action for what it is for a Monday with no news. It's beautiful. Can't ask for more. With that being said, hope you guys saw into my inside of how I trade, what's my thought process and everything on the psychological back end of it as well. And I hope you guys have a good trading day tomorrow and a good trading day for the rest of the week.